Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Allocacoc Multiport Power Socket. This is a 3-pin power socket that has a lot of useful features. Let me get this closer to the camera. Like there's a power cube for extended USB use, there's a cable tie, there are 2 tapes, and also a docking system. And any other information? There's some information here like is a high power USB for additional power outlets, it's child safe, plugs do not obstruct each other, modular system, unique docking system, and 1.5 meter of extension cable, which is pretty good. And you can actually feel what the product looks like over here, and that's great. This is one of the 3 ports that 3 sockets that we have. So let's just open this and see what the extender looks like. It seems to be a component. This is the, I'm assuming, the user manual, an instruction guide, a quick installation guide basically for when you want to set this particular device up. I'm going to keep this right here. And this is the power socket. Come on, there you go. This is the 1.5 meter long cable. It's pretty thick, obviously expected of a power cable. These are the sockets, 3-pin ports, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's written here, power cube, and the USB ports are here. So yeah, there are 2 of them, 2 USB-A ports, and this is the cable fix for when you want to control the length of the cable. So this packet has a dock or a bracket, as you want to call it, and double-sided tapes, 2 of them. You don't need both of them for the dock. However, the idea is that you paste one side over here and attach it to, say, a wall or under a table even, and then you can mount the cube on top of it. That's it. This is what you will find inside the box containing the Allocacoc Multiport Power Socket. Thank you for watching.